Welcome back to Everett Barbecue. I'm Joe Everett, and today we're doing things a little different. This here is one of them collabs. You saw the thumbnail and description, you know what's up. What is a reverse chicken parm? The reverse chicken parm is what you want it to be. It's exactly what it's supposed to be. It's everything you dreamed of and more. It's the chicken parm that was promised. Okay, we do whole chickens here at Everett Barbecue. Time to remove his spine and get to work. This reverse chicken parm is going to be so baller. We are cooking these in halves, so I'm going to make a trim here. There we go. It gave there in the center. Now you just want to push it away. Made a pretty clean break, as you can see from the inside of the keel bone here. There you go, one whole piece. Ha. Since we're doing halves, this now makes it real easy to just go right through from here. I like to just cut these right out here, give these guys a chance to breathe. Dried this chicken off. It's all trimmed up, and now we're going to do a real quick salt brine. A little bit in the backside, but this is mainly for the skin, so we get it nice and crispy. I'm going to let this sit in the fridge, uncovered, for about an hour, hour and a half. See what happens while we get old Muchacho up to temp. Okay, standard setup for me on the WSM. This is all applewood I'm smoking this chicken with. I'm gonna put the majority of my first charcoal chimney there, unlit coals all around in the center. Perfect. Flower pot's awesome. Okay, we got these coals about done in. Now, before we even get started, I want to give a shout out to Mr. Homeowner Cooking and DIY and Keith Bettag. These are the two guys that got this whole collab started, and that's who I'm joining forces with here. So you're going to be able to see their profiles probably in that corner of this video. But anywho, this is my barbecue fam. I want you to look down in the description of this video, and you're going to see links to every one of their videos as well. If you missed any of them, I'm going to keep track. Hashtag ReverseChickenPARM. All right, piecing together the old Muchacho here for some chicken cooking. Oh yeah. Okay, gang, it's water time. Treat this pan right. Okay, we're shooting for about 225 for the beginning of this cook. I'm gonna get the rest of that chicken marinated and throw some smoke flavor on this bad boy. I'm just gonna go with a little bit of my Dirty Mother Cluckers. Should take right into it. This chicken's been pretty sweaty with the whole salt brine, and there's not a lot of salt in this. And there's what we ended up with. It's time to throw these bad boys on, I think. Sorry, one-handed. Nobody said it'd be easy, gang. Yeah. And we're just throwing them on back ribbies first. Breast towards the inside. I like the looks of these guys. All right, close the lid, get her back up to temp, and eventually we'll probe these bad suckers, but right now all I care about is the amount of smoke we're throwing on. Yeah, I'd like to cook at 225 for the majority of this, right up until the 140s, just enough to get the flavor on them nice, and then jack it up to the 300s. Probably remove the water pan if I got to, it's a pretty cold day. And get that skin crisped up real nice on the old WSM, and we'll move on from there. Secret ingredient that's no secret. We're going in with this. The only way bacon needs to be made in perpetuity. Okay, we're about an hour and a half in. I think a little over an hour and a half. See how this, yeah, that skin, I thought it might dry up a skosh. Do a little bit of the I can't believe it's not butter, because it's not butter. These drummies are getting a little bit of abuse. But in general, I'd like to make sure we don't dry up completely. Give you some tickets to the show here. That's what we got going. I'm liking the looks of it. Give it about a half an hour, and then I'm gonna crank it up to 300 and start blasting it with some heat on this cold winter day. Alright. It's gonna be nice and crispy and meaty. You ever do bacon in the oven? That's how you want it to look, gang. Okay, team. We've been maintaining just under 250 now. It's been 2 hours. The chicken's right where I want it. I want the skin though to get a little further along and then really kick this chicken up. So I'd like to get it from 250 above 300. So I'm gonna open all the vents on the bottom and let's see if we can get this fire going on Muchacho rip roaring. It's on now. Hey, after this, they're gonna be calling regular chicken parm backwards. Oh yeah. Come on with it. 166. $167. Calling it. All right. He's going in for a little rest, but oh yeah. 15-20 minutes rest on this chicken. Have a look at the juices that escaped. ExSCAPE. I'm gonna go ahead and just take this breast right off because that's what we're using for the reverse chicken parm. Yeah, it's just falling right off. Time for some reverse chicken parm, gang. Part 1. Looking good. Mozzarella sticks all up in your face. Part 2. Oh yeah, we're going marinara all over that. I'm gonna go with some Parmesan, otherwise it's not really a reverse chicken parm, is it? Now we do our bacon. Now we're doing bacon. And it's bacon for a good cause. Chicken. Feast your eyes on that, gang. Reverse chicken parm. Don't act like you're not jealous. Yep, I thought of it first. Reverse chicken parm, that. Reverse chicken parm bite 1. This is ridiculous. It's like if the KFC doubled down, met the chicken parm, they later had a kid, and that kid turned out to be Cosmo Q. Hey, no lie, Bacon's a strong team player in this game. Reverse chicken parm, low in carbs, high in flavor. Man, this muck bang. Muck bang. I feel like Ed Harris in the Truman Show. He just puts up his arms. Yeah, buddy, you made it all. There's part 2 of that reverse chicken parm. Deal with that. I'll see you all in the promised land. What do you want from me, man? I'm eating chicken parm. I'm eating that truth chicken parm, sucker. Thanks for checking out Reverse Chicken Parm, and I hope you check out each and every one of my fellow collaborators on this project. It's been a ton of fun for me, and hey, honestly, I'm just looking for any excuse I can get to go smoke some chicken. Sidebar, if you're not putting your bacon in the oven, you're missing out. I'm just telling you right now. My love affair with bacon can wait, but this video could not. So hopefully you guys are watching this right on time and enjoying yourselves a little chicken parm at your own domicile. And if you enjoyed this cook, please check me out for some other cooks and barbecue experiments from my backyard to yours. Feel free to click subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see right when my videos come out. And I appreciate you putting up with a crazier than usual video, but we still broke out the smoker. The WSM, Muchacho got fired up, put a wicked smoke on that chicken. We got a little chicken for later. The reverse chicken parm, I'm dubbing that a success. We're calling it truth chicken parm from here on and now. And if you did enjoy this cook, please feel free, check my description down below. I'm gonna hook up links of all the other videos that took part in this, and please subscribe to their channels as well. If you're my subscriber or you just like my videos or check up to date with me every now and then, do them the favor, pay it forward now. And most importantly, a thank you goes out to the 3 amigos, Mr. Homeowner, Keith Bettag, Homo Nickel. You guys, I think, came up with this whole project. That's who deserves the credit anyways. So to you guys, cheers. Thanks for letting me take part in this, coming up with it. And if you aren't following those guys, I don't know where the F you've been. So go hook them up and pay it forward for my friends and my fam. Outside of that, reverse chicken parm out. Hashtag reverse chicken parm, fool. This is quickly turning into a mukbang. It's so bright out here, gang. Ugh. Snow blindness and cats. It's a real thing.